Hello class and welcome to today's activity. Today on this tutorial we are going to learn how to make a series circuit, and the materials that we are going to use are going to be the following. We're going to use two wires of 24 centimeters, one wire of 14 centimeters, two LED lamps, the two batteries. You can take the previous one that we use on the magic wand and so on. Here I'm gonna have the same materials. If you remember that these are my models, these are my two LED lamps, my three wires, and the battery. Okay, I'm gonna use this one as a battery too. Give me just a second. And we're going to use this short spoon as another battery. So we're going to start right now. The idea of the series circuit is to connect two or more components into one circuit. Okay, we're going to reduce the use of materials, but we are going to use more energy, different from the parallel circuits. So to create our first circuit, we need to start checking the following things. Okay, we're going to start organizing our LED lamps, the longest leg and the short leg, the longest leg and the short leg, because the first step that we're going to do is to connect the LED lamps. We're going to connect together. So we're going to roll this one. We're going to attach the wire to the short LED leg like this. If you want, you can open the legs of the LED. So you're going to connect the short leg to the long leg of the other LED. Okay, I'm gonna show you a bigger example with my models. Give me just a second. I'm gonna do this. And there you go. As you can see, I connect the short leg of my LED to the long leg of the other LED. Okay, I'm gonna make it here with this. Look at the short leg and the long leg. I'm going to attach them together using my wires. Remember that these are my wires. I'm gonna use a little bit of adhesive tape to make them attach here. Okay, that's too much tape. Give me just a second. Okay, this is my short leg to the longest leg of my other LED. Something like this. There you go. Okay, we have the same here. Remember, short leg to the longest leg, short leg to the longest leg. And now we're going to attach the other two wires to the other legs of our LEDs. So we're going to attach the first one here. If it is too tight, si está muy suelto, lo podemos atar con un poquito de cinta. Okay, so you can use a little bit of adhesive tape, sorry. So here I connect one to the long leg and I connect the other one to the short leg. So I'm gonna attach it here and I'm gonna connect my wire. And there you go. Remember that if you want, you can use adhesive tape. So I'm gonna do the same with my model. Give me just a second. I'm gonna put it here for you to watch it better. So it doesn't matter the colors, okay? For that reason I change yellow with red, I have black with yellow, because it doesn't matter the colors of the wires that you have, okay? And it doesn't matter the color of the LED lamps too, okay? Remember that the only important thing is how you connect them. Then you're going to attach the other wire here to your LED lamp and the other wire to the other LED lamp. Okay, something here, and this is, oh, oops, it falls down the LED leg, but now there you go. Okay, on the model you can see that we're using 1, 2 and 3 wires, and the long leg is going to connect it here, the short leg is going to connect it to the other long leg, and the short leg is going to be connected to the other wire. Now when we make this, we're going to start first testing our circuit with only one battery. So we're going to start checking that, remember, the long leg goes to the positive part and the short leg goes to the negative part. And if you can see, it is not working. But when I put my other battery, the positive down, and I connect my wires, you're going to see that it is working now. Why? Because each component, each of these LED needs 3 volts. So we are going to use 3 plus 3, 6 volts. So 3 plus 3, 6 volts. That's the idea of the series circuit. Okay, on the series circuit, we're going to use more energy compared with the parallel circuit, but we're going to use less components. Okay, we're going to use only 1, 2, 3 wires and 2 batteries. And as you can see here, as you connect it, you're going to see that this is my series circuit. But what happened? As soon as I disconnect one component, imagine that I disconnect this one, I'm going to unplug this, and I try to connect, they are not going to work. Why? Because the circuit is incomplete. As soon as I connect it, it's going to start working. Okay? So remember that you need to use 2 batteries, and you need to put positive and negative, positive over the negative, and there it is. Okay? So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed the activity, and I'm going to connect it again for you to test it at home and check the series circuit. Okay? Give me just a second. There you go. So positive with positive, the 2 batteries, and now we have the circuit working. Remember that maybe if yours doesn't work, try to flip the batteries, put the negative on the other side, and maybe it's going to start working. Here it's not going to work because I do it in the good way. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching, and let's continue on the next activity. Bye bye. Hello class, and welcome to this other tutorial. On this tutorial we're going to learn how to make a parallel circuit. Okay, so this is going to be very different from the series circuit, but we're going to do the same activity. We're going to make that 2 LED lamps light, so the materials are going to be a little bit different, and the construction of the circuit is going to be very different from the series circuit. Remember that on the series circuit we use 3 wires, 2 lamps and 2 batteries, but for the parallel we're going to use only 2 LED lamps, 4 wires and only 1 battery. Okay, I have here my model materials, and also if you want, this gonna make your life easier, you can use 2 different markers. Okay, I'm gonna use red and I'm gonna use a green marker. I'm going to explain you later how to use it, and these are going to help you to make your activity a little bit easier. Okay, so we're going to start right now, and the first activity that we're going to do is to remember and to analyze which part are the LED longest leg, and the shortest leg of our LED. To make a difference between them, I'm going to use my markers. So I'm going to color my LED legs, the long ones, with green, only the long ones, to identify them easier, and the shortest one we're going to color it with red mark. So you can do the same to this, to your LED component. So you're going to color the red, the short. It's not going to watch so good, but I know that you can see it later. And with green, the longest one. Okay, that's gonna make easier to identify them. Okay, I'm going to show you. I don't think that you can watch it so good, but you can check here that I color them with green and with red. Okay, so as soon as you make this, we are going to start making our basic circuit. Remember that our basic circuit is to connect the two wires to one LED. So I'm going to open a little bit the legs. I'm going to spread the legs of my LED. I'm going to use the 24 centimeters, and I'm going to start attach my wire to one part of my LED. I have here one, and I'm going to connect the other one. Two. There you go. You're going to check that it is working or not. Remember always to check. So it is working, it's good. I'm gonna do the same with my models. I'm gonna have here my LED. I'm gonna spread the legs a little bit. Le voy a abrir un poquito las paticas y lo voy a conectar. Okay, if you want, you can use adhesive tape. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit here for my wool because it's so difficult to attach it. Give me just a second. So I'm gonna use a little bit of wool here. So to the long leg, one wire. Remember that the color doesn't matter, okay? I have here two different colors for you to differentiate what are we going to do next, okay? But it doesn't matter if you have all the wires black, all the wires blue, green, yellow, it doesn't matter. And now connect the other wire to the short leg, okay? Remember, red for my short, green for my long leg. I'm going to put here a little bit of adhesive tape, and I'm going to connect it here and attach it with adhesive tape. Okay. So there you go. And then you test it with your battery like this. It is working. So now the next step on our parallel circuit, I'm going to let my model materials here, is to connect. We're going to do the same with the other two wires, okay? We're going to do a basic circuit with the other two wires. You can use the shortest one, you can use the 14 centimeters wires, and you're going to connect the same, okay? So I'm going to start here, connecting this. Just a second. There you go. One wire. And the other one to the shortest leg. Then you test it, and it is working. So you're gonna do the same here. Connect the wires here. Add a little bit of adhesive tape, sorry. One. And two. sorry if I'm covering, but as you can see now I have my 2 wires connected to my other LED lamp. Okay, so I have 2 basic circuits and 1 battery. Here the same, 2 basic circuits and 1 battery. Both are working. Remember to check if they are working or not. Here this one is working, and here the other one is working. Now, the next step, you need to be very careful. You need to identify and to remember which are the positive and the negative. Remember that we color with green the long ones and with red the shortest ones. So it's pretty important, because now you are going to make that the long ones are going to connect with the long ones and the short ones are going to connect with the short ones, because we are going to join this circuit to the other circuit. So here, these are my long leg and this is my other long leg. So we are going to put them together. Okay, you can make here, you can watch here that I'm going to attach my other wire to my LED lamp. And then I'm going to do the same with the short one. I'm going to attach my LED wire, my LED lamp, sorry, my wire to my LED lamp. Okay, if you are using adhesive tape, be careful because the wires need to touch the metal. Okay, si están usando cinta adhesiva, es muy importante que se den cuenta que los cables, que el cobre esté haciendo contacto, que esté tocando el alambre del cable, si no, no les va a funcionar. Okay, and when you have this, now this is a parallel circuit. You're going to test that with only one battery, we're going to make the 2 LED light. Okay, here I'm going to connect, and as you can see, both LED are working with only one battery. Okay, that's a parallel circuit. That's the difference. We're going to use less energy, but we're going to use more components, more wires. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing this with my models. So remember that we have one wire here, one circuit, and the long one and the short one. Here the same, long one and short one. Remember, be careful with the adhesive tape. Imagine that if you have put your adhesive tape here, you need to put it there in other place to touch, to make contact with the metal. If not, they are not going to work. Es importante que recordemos esto. Si de pronto pusimos cinta adhesiva para que se fijaran las conexiones, es importante que el otro cable que vamos a colocar se toque la parte metálica de nuestra otra lámpara LED. Si no, no va a funcionar porque no hay contacto, no va a haber flujo de energía. Tan pronto yo haga estas conexiones acá, voy a ponerles un poco de cinta para que quede fijas y ustedes vean la diferencia. Imaginemos que acá estoy haciendo el contacto, coloco un poco de cinta y lo mismo en mi otra patica. Voy a hacer lo mismo, hago acá el contacto, cruzo mi cable y coloco cinta. Cuando yo termine todo esto, vamos a ver que al colocar mi batería, obviamente esto es un modelo, no va a funcionar, pero si lo hago en el real, coloco mi batería, debería funcionar. Las paticas largas deben tocar el lado positivo de su batería, las paticas cortas el lado negativo, donde no hay letras. So guys, this is a parallel circuit. I hope that you made it, okay? If you have any doubts, please ask it on the session. Bye bye and have a nice day.